Happy birthday, Kuya Jerry!
Happy birthday, Kuya Jerry.
Well, Kuya Jerry, we wish you all the best. Continue lang po sa mga magagandang ginagawa ninyo sa people ng Dumingag. May God bless you and give you more good health. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Sir Mayor Jerry Paglinawan. More happy years to celebrate and God bless.
Hello, Jer. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hôm nay là ngày sinh nhật của sếp Terry vừa tròn 60 tuổi. Mr. Minh xin chúc sếp nhiều sức khỏe, hạnh phúc, thành công trong cuộc sống, mọi lĩnh vực.
Really pleased and grateful to be here to celebrate your birthday tonight. I wish you long life, good health, and happiness. Happy birthday, Gal. Let's celebrate.
Happy birthday, Tito Nanay Jerry.
Happy birthday, Gal. God bless.
you.
Good health.
Good health.
And all the best.
Do the best, Gal.
From Paglinawan,
Paglinawan.
United Kingdom.
Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Happy birthday. Very happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ngayon.
Hi Jem, happy birthday. Kasi suntan na katuig nimo karong adlaw, dual citizen na ka. Daghang salamat sa Ginoo nga matunong ang imong birthday sa imong adlaw nga tawhan. Ug daghang blessing ug tuig nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi. Daghang salamat nimo Jer ug sa imong pamilya. Happy birthday. Peace.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jerry. What else can I wish for someone who is so gifted with talent and intelligence, a beautiful wife and children? You are so truly blessed. May you continue to embrace the Lord's love as you enjoy many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday once again.
Hello, Jerry! It's Miss Moon from Switzerland. Just wanted to take a moment to wish you something very special today. Happy 60th birthday! Wishing you a fantastic day today with joy, laughter, and love. Enjoy your time with your family. Take care. Happy 60th birthday!
Gal, Mayor Jerry, we wish you more blessing, good health, and long life. Happy birthday, Gal. God bless. I love you.
Mayor, mayong adlaw diha. Among kalipay ug among kahimuot nga aduna kami mayor nga igagaw nga nagsilbi diha sa lungsod sa Dumingag nga diin gikahimutan sa mga katawan tungod sa imong mangayong buhat. Busagaw padayon sa mga buhat ug ang Ginoo maguban kanimo uban sa mga maayong plano. Happy birthday and more blessing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Jerry, the best boss of RDD. Wishing you have a good, healthy, successful, more, and happiness in the new year. Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Jerry Mayor.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jerry.
Happy birthday, Jerry boy.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jerry. Thank you for being inspiration to everyone here, and I'm sure everyone who Thank you for the kindness you brought to everyone and to our family here in the Oro, the family. We wish you the good health and more blessings to come.
So, God bless. I hope you're enjoying your birthday over there. Thank you once again for everything you've done, for the impact you've had on all the families that you've touched so much.
Happy 60th birthday, Mayor Jerry Paglinawan. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jerry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mayor Jerry. May this year bring you more blessings, good health, and joy, especially with your family and friends. From your Maintenance Smith Finance friends, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mayor Jerry.
Mamisita to ni
See you soon.
See you. Hi, Jerry, and hi, Wendy.
Ciao, Sep. Chok Mang Yansen, Sep. We wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. And hope everything is fine. And continue kung unsa may imong mga gipangbuhat karon, ipadayon. We are very proud of you sa imong mga achievements, sa pagtabang nimo sa imong mga constituents. Padayon, sir. Naarami sa inyong luyo. And once again, happy birthday from my family, from me and from my family. God bless you, sir. Chok Mang Yansen.
Hi, Mayor. Happy 60th birthday to you. I wish you all the best. Best of luck. Good health. Wealth is on yours. Wealth in terms of friends. Good leader. You are born to be a good leader. You are a good president back in Sapi in Vietnam. You're a good Consul General to us, to all the Filipino back in Vietnam. And now you're a good mayor of your place, Dumingag. Nothing else I can wish but all the best for you. Good health. From Hong Kong with love. Cheers and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jerry Paglinawan. Naalang ko ika-share ni Mayor katong mga gagmay pa mi kana si Mayor Jerry kugihan gid na siya kay dito man na siya manghagdaw sa akong lolo nga galingan dito na siya muna nga niabot gid niya ang iyang mga blessing sa iyang kinabuhi. So hinaot ta, Mayor, sa pagbalik na ko diha nga ang katong imong gisulti nga tanang mga barangay sa Dumingag dunay dala ng atong mga igsoon diha sa mga kabarangayan. So salamat kay Mayor. Happy birthday and God bless and God help.
Greetings of the happiest and most blessed birthday, Mayor Jerry. We are so privileged to be one of your close friends whom you had known since mid-1980s when you were still single, and our friendship had grown closer and closer like a family. We wish you long life, good health, and more energy and happiness as you serve Dumingag as the father of the town. Dumingag is really very lucky to have you because I know with all your heart that you have the passion to help the poor and do things right. So we are so proud of you and we love you. Happy birthday!
4K. Wow! Happy birthday, Mayor! Wow! Paspasa sa adlaw, no? Murag member na pud ka sa mga privileged few, mga discount guys. Okay? Mayor, thank you kayo sa nahimo ka na akong amigo, nagka-amigo ta. Salamat kayo kay maayo kayo, no? Malipay kay ko nga kumpare pag yun, no? Dinugos pag yun ni mga akong anak. Then I just wish nga pagkita ta usap, no, puhon karong December, no, para manganta na buta sa atong apo. Okay? Ha? So, dili lang ko magtugay. Just wish you the best of everything, Mayor. Happy birthday again. Ingat.
Greetings from Mandawi City. Jerry, you are truly one of a kind. You remain humble and sincere even with your diverse and successful career. In the early days of work in Maitland Smith, you were one of the people who made me feel at home and that I belonged in that prestigious company. Thank you for always making me and the people that surround you smile and laugh even during stressful times at work, not only in Cebu, but also in High Point, North Carolina. Do you remember the time when we really got fed up with eating American breakfast, lunch, and American dinner? Well, one of those treasured memories that I have was you with Glenda and Faye going to a park and enjoying the bumper boat rides, and later cooking spam and lots of rice. That was a blast. There was never a dull moment with you around. Jerry, cheers to you, my friend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Jerry!
Og uban sa akong pamilya mo greet me sa imo ika-60 nga birthday. Og uban ana wish pod namo nimo og maayong panlawas kauban sa imong pamilya ingon man sa pagdumala nimo sa LGU Municipality of Dumingag nga magpadayon nga maayo ang tanan pinaagi sa gugma, kalinaw ug panaghiusa. Happy birthday.
Wish na ko sa birthday ni Mayor Jerry is more great years to come and good health. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Honorable Mayor Jerry Paglinawan. Sa una mag-Jerry Rami or mag-bro ko, pero karon na naginay Honorable Mayor. On this very special day, your special day, we celebrate not only your life, but also your unwavering dedication, genuine compassion, and steadfast leadership that continue to inspire everyone around you. Your commitment to serve with integrity and heart makes a lasting difference in the lives of your constituents, especially in Dumingag. May this year bring you abundant blessings, good health, and renewed strength to continue your mission of uplifting and empowering the community. May your days be filled with joy, wisdom, and the love of the people whose lives you have touched. Wishing you a meaningful and joy-filled birthday, Mayor Jerry, with deepest respect and warmest greetings from me and my entire family. God bless you, dear. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Hello, Kuya Mayor. Mayor's Coffee muna tayo. Happy birthday. You know, it is a privilege for me and my family to greet you in this very wonderful day of your life. Your birthday, another year, another chapter of your wonderful endeavor you brought to your people in Dumingag, to your family and to your friends. When I was there in your farm, daghang kay mga saying, mga artwork dito. And I can remember one thing there. An artwork you made that says, people may or may not like you, but what is important is for you to continue to be yourself. That self is you, Mayor. Kuya, continue to be genuine, to be people-loving, family-loving, and most of all, handsome. Happy birthday, Kuya Mayor. Mayor's Coffee muna tayo.
Hi, Mayor Jerry. Kumusta? Kumusta kay Mandy and the children as well? It's been a long time since our last meetup. A lot of things has already happened since then. It's a good thing that there is social media. I'm able to be updated about what's happening in the Paglinawan family. I'm happy that you have found success in business and in the field of politics. I heard about the success of Agrico and that your organic farm business is doing well and is expanding. Congratulations on your second term as mayor. I think this is a God-given position for you because through this, you're able to do public service. I know that deep in your heart, you really want to be able to serve the people, especially those in need. This is what defines Jerry. Jerry is a man for the people, a man of God. I do hope that we get a chance to meet up again. Nikki and I miss you and the family. On the occasion of this, your birthday, 60th birthday, this important milestone in your life, we wish you a happy, happy birthday. We pray that God will grant you more healthy years and the family as well, and that He will continue to bless the business so that you can continue to help many people. Again, Mayor Jerry, happy birthday. God bless. All the best.
Maayong adlaw sa tibok lungsod sa Dumingag, sa Zamboanga del Sur. Ako mga ipaabot ngadto kang Municipal Mayor Jerry T. Paglinawan alang sa iyang kasaulugan, sa iyang adlaw na tawhan niining October ika-60 ka tuig. Og dako kayo akong pagpasalamat sa kinabuhi nga gihatag diya sa Ginoo kaniya tungod kay ang iyahang pagdumala diya sa ilang lugar diya sa Dumingag, sa municipal sa Dumingag, sa mga Sur, patas o maabtikon nga nagdumala diya sa lungsod sa Dumingag. Isip piniyalan sa katauhan sa Dumingag, isip piniyalan sa mga kinayahan, piniyalan sa katauhan o sa mga pahandi nga nahimutang diya sa lungsod sa Dumingag. Akong ipaabot ang akong pagpasalamat sa kinabuhi ng gihatag kaniya sa kapasko sa iyang pangawas. Sa kanunay ang Ginoo mag-auban kaniya sa iyang pag-alagad diha isip amahan sa lungsod sa Dumingag. Happy birthday Agaw Jerry o uban sa imong pamilya. Ako si Agaw Pipi Paglinawan Maglangit Manghinao sa kanunay nga anaa ang Ginoo magagiya ug manalangin kanimo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Agaw. Jerry Bubords Paglinawan. Pinaka suod o pinaka usgan o pinakabuutan tibuok kalibutan nga igagaw Jerry Dakulayan Paglinawan. Happy birthday, Agaw, gikan sa akong kinasingkasing ug sa akong pamilya. Salamat, mayong buntag, mayong adlaw ug mayong gabi.
Maayong ikakanuman katuig sa inyong adlaw nga tawhan. Akong igsuon, akong manghod, Mayor Jerry Dakulayan Paglinawan. Ako kay akong pasalamat sa kay Tapan sa kaso sa kinabuhi na ihatag niya kanina. Sa inyong unong kadekada na existence in this world, you would maximize every minute of your life. What you can giusikan. You have achieved a lot. Tangkan kayo accomplishments. Tangkan kayo napahaw na inyong matabangan. Gani, usan ako sa recipient na inyong matabangan. Matabangan ko nimo sa pagkahuman sa akong pag-eskwela. Kung wala gani ka ni tabang sa ako, siguro ako dugay na ko nag 60 feet below the ground. Ako kayo ang inyong katabang ni Mendy sa ako na inyo kong ditabangan kaadto og Vietnam. Kung tungod sa inyo nga gipadto ko niyo sa Vietnam, nakaabot ko sa ko diri sa England. So dako kayo akong utang kabubuton sa inyo nga dili gid nako kabayaran og sapi. So thank you very much sa imong kabuutan. Usab pasalamat ta kay Mindy sa iyahang walay puas nga pagsuporta o uban kanimo kanunay. Labi na sa imong mga pangandoy, sa imong ambisyon, ang ma-accomplish ang tanan nimong mga plano sa kinabuhi. Pasalamatan sa nato ang imong mga anak, si Janji, Janice, Christy, Sophie, na naagi sila kanunay, nag-uban kanimo. Uban sa ilang mga partner sa kinabuhi, kung napo na si Mr. Phil, nakakalimutan. By the way, naalang ko i-share na akong lihimo. I wrote this poem in January 2002. Dugay na kainit, pero na ako pero na-revision ko ka. Okay, I will share this to you. The poem is entitled Sakayan. Bisaya ang title, but this is an English poem. Okay, let me start. Letter S. Okay, letter S. Sailing in a deep blue ocean is the Sakayan. As I viewed it from a distance, memories flashed back on the run. A. Always your desire, Mayor Jerry, to climb up the hill, to spend some weekends at the farm in Tumoy or in Libertad, with Tatay, our brothers, and our dear sister Inday Elsa. All day long, we used the bolo to pull the grasses so we could plant mangoes. There were times when you wanted to play all day, but you can't. Our time is so precious. We are children without a mother at an early age, so every minute counts. And so we treated our work as play. Letter K. Keeping deep in your heart and mind that you wanted to become the person you want to be. You strived hard to study and garnered an award so that you could come back to our hometown with a degree. Letter A. Across the seas, 1,000 miles away, we traveled to another city and enrolled in a university. You look up at how high the sky is, how deep the ocean is, and how far it is to become the man you would like to be. Letter 1. Yearning for more adventures, we are open to any opportunities. Time passed safely, and you are able to travel to different places all over our country. Through your job in one of the furniture companies, some of your dreams came to reality. You have also been around internationally. You were in Paris, France, UK, and USA. From Burma, Indonesia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, and even stayed in India and Vietnam. You're able to lead a group of men and women alike in Cebu and Vietnam. You were even awarded as an outstanding Filipino in Vietnam way back in 2006. And, as always, you encounter people from different walks of life. You face life squarely, even with the ups and downs of making a living every day. Life must go on. Ride on, just like sailing in the ocean with a sakayan. It continued to sail on, even in the high and low of the tide. It goes with the wind. Continue to offer everything to the Almighty. All your hard work, challenges, difficulties, prayers, and sacrifices. And good health. Let God direct your life always. And nothing can compare to your happiness that you have reached where you are destined to be, and for being always with your family. Sakayan is an acrostic poem describing a glimpse of Mayor Jerry's life story. Siguro kung buhi pa to si nanay karon, nagkatawa to, dako ka ito katawa, nagtanaw sa imong mga accomplishments. Proud kayo to siya sa imong mga lipang buhat, lipang himo. Proud kayo siya sa imong mga achievements. Di na ka kinahanglan mag-hire unta o press relation officer kay kato siya mo na gito maguna-una pamalita sa katawhan sa imong mga maayong mga himo. Noon to siya sa kahitasan nagtanaw sa imo, nagmalipayan to siya kay imong gituman ang tanan niya mga pangandoy. So I wish you more healthy 60 years to come, more blessings, another 60 years, more blessings, happiness. Padayon lang sa iyong pagkamalagaron, pagkamangihatagon, pagkamaluluyon, pagkamangihunahunahon, pagkamapaubsanon, pagkamaabi-abihon, pagka-positive thinker, pagka-responsable, ug uban pa nga mga maayong hiyas isip usa ka nangulo sa tanan nimong ginsakupan. So take care, God bless you all, more power, God loves you, and we love you. Ayu-ayu ang Kanunay. Greetings from Southampton City, England, United Kingdom. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Say I love you. Yay! Clap your hands.